Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm excited about today's video because it's actually a Christmas look. Yeah, so stay tuned and do well to subscribe to the channel. Bye. So this is what I mean by raise the crease higher. I put shea butter at where the crease was initially. The crease was way down here. So now it's going up. So now you go back in with a bit of concealer. I think we have to raise it up a little so that the curve makes sense where it is curving. Yeah, then it will not be too straight. It will be a curve like whoop. Obviously I'm showing you tips and tricks. Then the small space we just created, we go back in with the eyeshadow we initially put here so that the color will be even. Do you get? We'll make So this is how it should look when you put the glitter on the liner part. So now I use this white paint to draw my snowdrops on this part of my eye. Okay, so I've already started drawing it. So I just wanted to get into the rhythm of drawing before I start filming myself drawing. Sometimes when you feel like people are watching, you can't do something correctly, you know. Snowflakes. Did I say snowdrops? Embarrassing. Snowflakes. It's like it's about to rain. I hope it doesn't rain. Like this is the first time I'm actually hoping it doesn't rain because I'm doing makeup. But if I finish, it can't rain because over here, embarrassing neighborhood, when it's raining they put the light off. Am I in Ghana? Do so. They are not even ashamed of themselves. Okay, this snowflake looks messy. This side got thicker than intended. This is basically how it's supposed to look like. As usual, I'm going to do the other eye, then I come back and do the rest of the makeup with you. My mates are getting married. I'm here doing snowflake with 200 subscribers. Of the look, glitter gel. Since I don't have lipstick as red as the glitter, like that's the color of lipstick I want, I go in with the glitter glue, not gel. Yeah. As usual, this is the final look. Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year. Tell everybody to subscribe to my channel. Wow, just look at this. This is cute. It's cute, very Christmassy. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I like this. Like every time my lips just surprise me. Like wow. In fact, I always surprise myself trying to embarrass me. What's this? Go in. Okay, yeah, as I was saying, I always surprise myself. Like, just look at this. Inhale all this goodness. Look at my cat crease. Look at the snowflakes. And someone will be saying, Latte, did you really draw it? Yes, I drew it. I drew it. Oh, this is nice. And it's 8 in the evening. I have to take this off. Oh my god, I can't believe this. How painful. I just had this makeup on for 5 minutes. Let me go and record TikToks. Thank you guys for watching and thanks for subscribing. God bless you. Goodbye.